So let me invite Pooja. Pooja is principal lead heading the outreach and development at S M Sehgal Foundation. Pooja, please share your perspective in using the power of this medium.
Thank you, Ratanji. It's a pleasure meeting you after a very, very long time. And greetings, everyone. Yes, so adding to what Gayatri has mentioned, while one spectrum of audience, which were fishermen in Kadal Osai, we did this program with the grassroots community who are in the aspirational part of the country, where the development indices are fairly low. So we did the project, the Connect Radio Connect broadcast in the Mewat district at one place, which is aspirational. It falls in Haryana. And the other side is Alwar, Rajasthan, the Ramgarh and Deep block. So it was an opportunity for us to actually see how science, programs are acceptable to the students in the aspirational districts, schools in the aspirational and non-aspirational areas as well. And, to our surprise, it was actually same. When it comes to science, students would they take it as the most difficult subject. You don't want to study science, or they just wait that till 10th we have to study it in some way, and then they want to drop. So and when we look at the reason, we realize that it's an abstract. The concept is abstract for them. It's unrelatable. The content is very unrelatable, and also the teaching methodologies haven't really matched up with the development process, or the technical know-how is still lagging behind. So when we did get this opportunity to work with the IIT Bombay under spoken tutorial, and we introduced science, the STEM related programs in radio drama style, it was very interesting, not just for the team who was developing these episodes. It was equally interesting for us to broadcast them, to take the episodes and narrowcast them in different schools. And so students, when we had to actually, after the broadcast and after the narrowcasting, we would go and check what is their understanding of the concept. And the amount of examples we received, how students have actually, they thought that, we never thought that this is why the boiling point of milk, why milk is spilled and water doesn't spill. Why suddenly we eat lentils every day, but sprouting them can actually make so much of difference, because they are farming communities. For them, it's the food, simple food is readily available, but how to make their diet wholesome, it would never strike them. So, passing on the knowledge in a creative form, using technical, through this technology interventions, by having our team is all from the communities itself. And as in community radio, there's a lot of cooperation that we do. So Gayatri's team, they excel in mixing and using, the music in the programs, made the entire thing very, very knowledgeable. And it was a good training for our grassroots team as well. So it is actually very, very wholesome when we bring a project like this, not just for an organization, but the community and also people who are involved in making the whole thing. With that, I also have one student with us. Of course, there are many. When we went to one of the schools yesterday, taking Science Sudha's message that this program is coming up, there were many students who wanted to participate. Namaste.
नमस्ते मैम, मेरा नाम कनिष्का है। मैं राजकीय वरिष्ठ उपाध्याय संस्कृत विद्यालय में पढ़ती हूँ।
थोड़ा सा आप बताएं, जब हम अपने प्रोग्राम जब हम लेके आए थे आपके स्कूल में सारे एपिसोड्स, तो उसका थोड़ा सा एक्सपीरियंस अपना बताइए।
सामुदायिक रेडियो कनेक्ट 107.8 FM।
हाँ जी, और इस पे आपने कौन सा आपको प्रोग्राम्स थे जो आप सुनते थे? आप साइंस के बारे में इससे आपको कैसे क्या लगा?
पहले जो हम अपनी किताबों में और पाठ्य पुस्तकों में पढ़ते थे कि विज्ञान जब हमें बहुत टफ लगती थी, लेकिन जब हम उन्हें दैनिक जीवन में विज्ञान और इसके लिए देखते हैं नाटकों में, जब हमें लगा कि विज्ञान इजी है।
वाह।
संतुलित आहार, कार्बोहाइड्रेट ये हमें दिन भर के चलते रहने के लिए ऊर्जा देते हैं, जैसे अनाज, बाजरा, मक्का, आलू, प्रोटीन मांसपेशियों के निर्माण के लिए और घिसे हुए मांसपेशियों के लिए प्रोटीन की जरूरत होती है। दाल, अंडे, चिकन, नट्स, सोयाबीन, दूध जैसे और विटामिन, मिनरल्स शरीर और रोजमर्रा के काम के लिए विटामिन की जरूरत होती है। यह हमारे आंखों, हड्डियों, मसूड़ों और स्वस्थ रखती है। दूध, मछली, फल, हरी सब्जियां और फैट हमें ऊर्जा देते हैं। इन्हें हमें थोड़ी मात्रा में खाना चाहिए, जैसे मांस, घी, मक्खन, अंडे की जर्दी।
वेरी गुड, थैंक यू। मुझे ये भी बताया गया था कल कि स्कूल में कुछ पंक्तियां थी जो आप लोग आम गुनगुनाते रहते हैं।
यस मैम। चलो मिलकर बदले भोजन की आदतें, जीवन सजाएं संतुलित आहार से। संतुलित आहार में है जीवन का वरदान, बनाए हम अपने जीवन को महान। आह 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 फलों की ये खुशबू और सब्जियों के रंग, संतुलित आहार में है विशेष रंग। चलो मिलके बदले भोजन की आदतें, जीवन सजाएं संतुलित आहार से। संतुलित आहार है जीवन का वरदान, बनाए हम अपने जीवन को महान।
So the idea of bringing the student primarily was because I was told कि ये this aha 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 this that they keep doing, and it was a small song that Priya, one of the girl who's who enacted as Sudha, she and Sonia had composed together. So how simple concepts which they could never relate to is become a part of their everyday कि ये तो गुनगुना ही लेते हैं. They'll keep humming such melodies that they listen in a program. Yeah, I'll just close it by saying that this has to be a continuous process. These 30 odd programs we need to continue to broadcast. We need to continue to go to the schools, because as per the current data, the ESSA report says that only 30% students, 30 or 31% students can actually manage to take STEM in higher education, because there is a huge fear attached to the subject. So it's to make it simpler, we need more such programs. So spoken tutorials need to continue for the benefit of the students in the rural areas.
Thank you, Pooja, and what a great story. And I think Dr. Rupal Dalal must be very happy to see a future prospect for her health spoken tutorial team. Very nice to hear what a musical way to communicate some of the nice concepts. And Pooja, thanks for joining. It has been, I know, a couple of years back, I had a chat with you, and Varishtha Foundation is looking forward to working with the Sehgal team. We are looking at actually stubble burning as one of the challenges to tackle. So I'll come back, and thanks for joining today.
Thank
and
you,
a great example of how the core content which is being created in the spoken tutorial program can be taken up in many ways, not just the learning on the computers, but through the radio also. So many different channels for that investment, and great story. Thank you, Pooja, bringing the students to share their stories.